Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be teaching us how to reconcile your bank statement in Zoho Books, how to do your reconciliation in Zoho Books. So all you need to do is to go to our banking module, and your banking module you have your several banks. This is where you can do your reconciliation, everything that has to do with your banking, your bank transactions. Yeah, so you have bank and cash, you have petty cash, undeposited fund, but let's use petty cash in this for the purpose of this training. All right, if you look at our petty cash dashboard here, we have our deposits, right? Customer payment deposit 100,000. We have our withdrawals. So we want to have our reconciliation. We need to go to these settings at the right top corner. All right. Then moment you click on it, you see edit, you see reconcile account, make as inactive, or you want to delete. So we want to reconcile account here. So we have reconcile account. Now the interesting thing about Zoho Books is that Zoho Books gives you some guide or some instructions how to carry out some certain things, right? Like for example, looking at our reconciliation board here, we have reconcile your statement with your transactions. So we have reconcile your bank statement with Zoho Books transaction. You can also add transactions to match the difference. Can you see? And he said, how do you do that? Number one, set your date range, which we are going to be following very soon now. And of course, your transaction to match the difference, and undo or delete reconciliation, should in case you want to delete it, or you want to undo it, or you want to edit. So let's have reconcile now. We're clicking on reconcile now. Then let's set our date range. So in this case, let's just choose January. Let's choose January 1st of January 2025. And okay, February 1st. That's fine, not too bad. So what's our closing balance? Lost our closing balance. Let's have a closing balance of 99,000. Start reconciliation. So if you look at this, we have our deposit and our withdrawals. And it also gives you the ability to be able to attach your bank statement here. You see upload file. So it's also good to also attach it, for clarity purposes. So it's better. So we have our closing balance. Our closing balance is 99,000, just like you said. And should in case you didn't put the right amount you are supposed to put, you can easily comment to edit it and say, okay, it's not supposed to be 99, it's supposed to be 95,000. So we have update. So it changes it to 95. So let's go back to 99. Update. All right. So let's reconcile. We have 100,000, which is our deposits. All right. So what's the difference? What difference do we have? It's better. Now you can select everything and then start do your reconciliation, from this point. Now we have the difference of 0, which is proper. Now it's okay to do like that. You can have a lot whereby you just select everything and you now start on checking. But it's preferable. You can do it whichever way you want, but of course it's preferable to start all over. Start clicking it one by one, which means I want to start reconciling, right, without having to select everything. So you have a deposit of 100,000, right? A cleared amount of 100,000 in our account, and we also have withdrawal 1,000, right? Now if you click here, you notice that we have a difference of 90,000. And let's say we uncheck this. Now we still have a difference of what? Of 1,000. So this minus really in our reconciliation simply means that we have a difference of 1,000. That's just what it is. So let's click this 1,000 expense, which is parking. So we can have our differences cleared. So we have a cleared amount of 99,000, right? And our balance here, our difference here is now 0, which means that our account is well reconciled. So we can go ahead and save and reconcile later. In our previous video, you notice that sometimes when we say save and save as sent and all that, or save as draft, it's just like save as draft. When you save as draft, it's just a way of revisiting what you've saved, maybe for modification purpose and all that. So in this case, you can also save and reconcile later, or you can just choose to reconcile now. So if you save and reconcile later, it simply means there's something you still need to get, and then you are probably not clear on. That's why the status here is saying in progress. But the moment you've reconciled it, it's going to write reconcile. So let's have it to be reconciled. Let's go to page back and click on reconcile. So it says your account has been reconciled or reconciled, which simply means we have a reconciliation. And so that's how you do your reconciliation in Zoho Books. It's that simple, it's that easy to do. All right, make sure you follow us for more. Thank you.